Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H, and in this episode of How It's Made, we're going to talk about Shelby's pair of 9400s. Here's what they look like in real life. This is her father's truck, and she wanted a replica of it to honor him, and then one as a family memento for her own family. And here's what we've come up with. This began as a stock DCP Diecast Promotions 9400i. It was stripped down to bare metal and then primed, and the fenders painted black, mask off, and then IH red matched to the VIN came in after that. The decals were done by Circus City Decals and matched the truck's decals down to the names on the sleeper here in the front and the back, as well as the door decal and the hood number, which is right here on the very bottom side of that fender. The herd bumper is 3D printed and for sale in my store, as well as the third axle holder, the tire, third axle, and both sets of fenders, the half fenders at the rear and the full fenders on the front over the tag. Those are all sold in my store. The wheels are stock, as well as the exhaust and the visor. The fuel tanks were out of my parts bin. The cabinet on both sides of the truck is 3D printed and from my store. The bug deflector on the front of the hood was made out of a piece of styrene painted brown. The decal Get Her Done was added to that after the fact and clear coated on. I added this to the hood using Formula 560 canopy glue. That way, as the glue dried, it would be clear and you wouldn't be able to see it, making it virtually invisible. The visor was the original color of the truck before I stripped it down, so I used Molotow Chrome to chrome it, and then another Molotow color to make the little lights on the top of the visor. I used Formula 560 canopy glue to add that as well. I had some chicken lights here out of my own stash and used those at the bottom. A black paint pen was used to make the little fairing colored black on the back on both the inside and outside. And then finally we moved to the Diecast Promotions trailer. This is a stock DCP spread axle pot, and the only thing I did to that was add the RM Davis porch light to the front. This is actually a downloadable file in diecastlab.com, which is in the comments. The template is in Microsoft Publisher, so if you're a subscriber there, you can download that and add it as you wish, and then you can print it on peel and stick decals or water slide as you like. Overall, a great set of trucks, just a lot of fun to work on. I don't get to do 9400s very often, so it's always a treat when I get to work on one. Just a lot of fun. They turned out great, and just a great memorial for the family. Thanks to Shelby for the project, and I hope you like them as much as I did making them. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. If you like this video, share it with a friend. Also, subscribe to Diecast Lab. That's the best way you can support my channel and support everything that goes on with Rockin' H. I'll lead you by the hand, step by step, with video tutorials, white papers, and other downloads that'll teach you everything I know, even how to turn your hobby into a profitable business. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.